How to edit transactions in Spender app. Are you guys facing issues to edit transactions on Spender application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To edit transactions on Spender, first of all, open Spender app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now just simply select the transaction that you want to edit. If you want to edit your transaction for salary, just simply tap on salary and click on amount option and simply tap on the amount option and write on the amount that you want to edit. After you edit it, tap on OK. After you fill up the details, after you made up all the changes, look at the last option where you can see this edit income. Tap on edit income. As soon as you click on edit income, your income will be successfully changed. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to edit income on Spender application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.